Well, hello there. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels, Pro Makeup Artist. Thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't done so already, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and hit the subscribe button for future notifications and the bell button to make sure that you're notified when I upload new content. So the contest is over after the 48 hours and we have a new winner from the subscriber list who left an amazing comment about Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So the winner is, drumroll, woo! If I have a drum, that was kind of what it would be sounding like, woo! The winner is Robin B. That's right, Robin B. So if you're actually listening, I'll be in contact with you to ship that off to you with some other goodies as well. So hopefully you're super excited about the lip scrub and other stuff that I include with my little love note as well to you. So I had a comment on my feed and they want to know how to do a look for going down south. So a vacation, or as I say, vacay, go-go look. So this is a perfect look, ladies, if you're wearing sundresses, if you're going down south, you know, you're wearing your sandals, you're on the beach, you have your blonde hair all tousled or whatever color hair you may have. So we're going to start the look now. So I've already just applied my moisturizer and now I'm actually going to apply the Power Concealer from Jeffree Star just to my lids because they tend to be red, just like so. And then we're going to actually prime the lids before we put the eyeshadow on. And I'm going underneath as well because we already have my eye cream on for puffiness, dark circles, lines and wrinkles, and dehydration, which is amazing. So I really suggest everyone buy an eye cream. It has saved my life so many times. And I'm not saying that I was running from the police, I'm just saying it saved my skin. Anyways, that was a joke. So, and don't be afraid about going down south. You know, it's easier to contract chlamydia than it is the coronavirus. That was a joke as well. So once we have that on, we're actually going to apply our Advanced to Protect serum. So this is a retinol palmitate serum. And we're applying it all over the cheek area, down around the nasolabial folds, the number 11 on the forehead, just like so. And then since you're going down south, I would leave your moisturizer at home and just apply an SPF 50. Some of the great ones that are on the market are from Vichy and La Roche-Posay that are paraben free and great for kids. Just make sure that if you're in the water, light reflects from the water and water reflects with light. So you tend to get burnt more often, not thinking that you're in the water and you're toweling off. So you can actually get more burnt than actually just laying on the beach. So what you need to do is make sure that you keep reapplying every 30 to 40 to 50 minutes or after you get out of the water as well to make sure that you actually have your SPF at its full strength. And usually 30 to 40 to 60 is perfect for going down south. So after that, we're actually going to apply my powder foundation, which is my weightless powder foundation from Bobbi Brown, which I cannot live without Cannot live without, I shouldn't have said off. And we're applying this under the eye area where we use the Jeffree Star Concealer in C12. And what I like about this product is that it's so easy. It's not time consuming like a foundation to apply to your skin. Super blendable. You just apply down around like this, upper lip, around the nose area, and it gets rid of all my redness. So ladies, if you experience redness on your skin, Jeffree Star Concealer. Also on the cheek area you can use it. Anywhere that you have redness, and then apply this weightless powder from Bobbi Brown on top. And boom, girl, you are ready to go. So after that, we're gonna put that down and we're gonna actually use our Versace bronzer, which is actually cruelty-free and not tested on animals, Versace bronzer. Using our Stila brush, we're actually going to dip it into the bronzer, make a fish face like so. And we're only applying a tiny little bit because we don't wanna look like we literally fell into our bronzer, got stuck, rolled around and couldn't get out. That being said, this is just a very quick and easy way to get ready to go to the beach, a little night on the town, you're having cocktails, you're having drinks, it's beautiful out, you know, it's 98 degrees or 102 degrees, depending on where you're going. Maybe you're going to Vegas. So I'm just applying this just to contour that area. And that is an amazing product from Versace. So if you haven't checked that out, please check that product out. It's truly amazing. We're now going to use our NARS blush in Orgasm to achieve just a little bit of color. And as I said, I always do everything backwards, so don't be alarmed if you're wondering why I'm not doing my eyes first. So right here on the pillow, the apple of the cheek, little X marks, and we're going to taper it straight up, okay, but not like Dallas Dynasty and the Love Boat Girls from, you know, back in the day, ladies. You know what I'm talking about? Just the vertical stripe where they just went, so little X marks and taper it up. And this is such a beautiful product, so you can take this with you when you go on vacation, and you know what, you're not going to have any problem no matter what color outfit you're wearing. And the lipstick that I've actually chosen today to use is actually Brown Sugar, which is from Jeffree Star's Ammunition Collection, and it is the perfect color to wear with black, navy, taupe, white, especially black, because it totally enhances the color and brings out your tan as well. So what we're going to do now that we have the blush on, is we're actually going to use Sarcophagus, which is Jeffree Star's highlighter, which is truly freaking amazing. And you know, there's the So Effin' Gold, and this is the Skin Frost Sarcophagus. You need to be careful with this product because it actually, when it opens, once I get it open here, I was opening it the wrong way, it's beautiful and it's highly, highly pigmented. So when you apply it, you're going to use just a highlighting brush, and when you apply it, you're going to apply it right above where you actually have. And guys, you can sing along when you're actually, you know, applying this as well. So right above the blush area, and we'll do the other side as well. Sing along, sing along, sing along. And I can't sing, so I usually just play Lady Gaga, or I play, you know, another piece of music that's funky and upbeat, like Erica Jane, as I was saying, you know, get me all perky and ready for the town. So down the bridge of your nose as well. And then you always want to make sure that once you actually have your highlighter applied, as you can see, you want to blend that out so it doesn't look like you just plopped highlighter onto your skin. Down the bridge of the nose and blend upward motions. All right, now that we have that completed, we are going to use the Lise Wattier, and this is the natural color from Lise Wattier. It actually has a suction cup in it. You just sharpen it with a regular pencil sharpener. It's waterproof as well. So we're going to line our lips with that and color them in for adhesion. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Like, leave me comments if you have any questions about makeup, how to apply makeup. It's all about practicing makeup on a daily basis. Practice makes perfect. You know, I couldn't be talking and doing this at the same time if I haven't done it for a long time. So just like riding a bicycle, you know, you fall off a couple of times, you make mistakes, but eventually you get the hang of it. So any questions you guys have, any questions about product reviews, any questions that you would like me to answer about products or actually do a product review on a specific brand, I am there for you. Kenzie Craig is there for you to help you out. Also, skincare. Any questions about skincare, cleansers, toners, moisturizers, repair serums. Can't speak while I'm doing this. Perfect, so I have a perfect adhesion of color. And then this is the awesomest lipstick. It's the Brown Sugar. So you guys can see that. That is going to be applied right over top. And it's a gorgeous, summery colored lipstick. Like I was saying, ladies, teenagers, when you're in your bikinis or your onesies or with your sarong on and your tousled hair and your big Prada or Gucci glasses, working that night, just gives a nice, sexy look. And that's from Jeffree Star, cruelty-free and not tested on animals. Now we're actually going to use the Jeffree Star collection from Bloodlust. Yes, I said it again, Bloodlust. So Vacation to Go-Go, we're running out of time here, but we're going to be using the Royal Pain, and we're going to be mixing it with the, oh my God, I can't even pronounce this name. I don't have my glasses on. Sworn Enemy, which is the green color. So we're just gonna have a nice peachy, mossy kind of look to the eyes. So what we're gonna use is we're gonna use a flat eyeshadow brush, dip our brush into that, apply right onto the lid, like so. And with this, we were talking before about fallout. There's no fallout with these colors, except for the black, but almost every black product that's on the market, shadow actually has fallout. So if you're using black, use a powder guard underneath or use a brush like I was explaining, or you can actually, use a fan brush underneath. So once that's applied, we're now going to use our contour brush, and we're now going to use the Sworn Enemy, which is that mossy green color, right into the crease area like so. And we're blending. And if you guys want, you can use that Sarcophagus or the So Effin' Gold as a brow bone color as well. I'm not going to add that today because I just want to put black mascara on because, we are at the beach. We do not want to, scare the bartender with crazy MAC fake eyelashes that are just, gargantuous in size. So once we have that on, we're going to do the other lid as well, right into the crease bone. And this is just for an added little bit of color and like a touch of, call it color pop. Just a color pop, a little shade of color pop to the lid, just so it looks like, you've done something to your eyes, but you haven't done too much. And once we have that applied, we're ready almost for the mascara. And I'm gonna be using the Better Than Sex mascara, which I absolutely adore. So since we have those two products applied, we're actually going to use an angle brush and then just sweep them together on a 45-degree angle, like so, blending them together. And now you can actually use your highlighting color if you want in Frost from the outer corner in, just like so, to give you a little touch of color. And on the opposite side as well. This is your Majesty from the Bloodlust collection, just so everybody knows. Woohoo! I'm loving Jeffree Star's cosmetics. So, I have a challenge for you guys. I want you guys to come up with a title for my next video. So leave a comment, and there's going to be a free giveaway for whoever leaves the best comment on Jeffree Star's. A funny and interesting title that will grab lots of people's attention for my next video that's coming up in a couple of days. So, using the Better Than Sex mascara, I would normally do 3 coats of this. Just wiggle the wand up and around. And if you want double the volume, double the impact, and double the exposure, go down from the top of the lash line like so, and then come back up. And voila! One eyelash is done, one lash is done. We're doing the other one. Now ladies, put your sundress on, put some bronzer on, some shimmer gold bronze on your legs, put your moisturizing oil on your legs as well, and bingo, you have a perfect look. Now what we're actually going to do is, from the Jeffree Star Mini Gloss Collection, over top of this, this is a lip glaze in Virginity. We're just going to apply a little of this color. Like so over top. And this is kind of like a sheer color, so if you want to enhance what you've already had actually put on, that's the perfect time to do this at the very, very end. Now, using our all-nighter spray, which is going to be the Vacation to Go-Go Day Spray, we're going to spray to have the adhesion of our makeup. This product is not split. It gives you a fresh face look all day. And an X mark, closing the eyes, down the teeth shape, X mark on the neck. And voila, this product is almost dry, and it's also cruelty and not tested on animals as well. So thank you so much for joining me. Robin B, I will be in touch with you. And next thing is, leave me a comment on what you think my next title should be for my thumbnail for Jeffree Star Cosmetic Review. Thank you so much. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels, and enjoy your day. Cheers, everyone. Bye.